Hi everyone. So welcome again to my class, Mathematics Form 2. So today we'll go to simplifying algebraic expression. I hope you can see this one. Okay, so now you can see already, self-practice 2.3. Okay, we will go about 12 questions today. And then after this class, I will give you 5 questions as your exercise. Okay. So this one you can refer to your textbook, page 37 for Malaysian textbook, Mathematics Form 2. I will use this application today, because I think this one very okay. Okay, let me start. So I start with question number 1. Question number 1. Let me write here. Okay, question number 1. We want to simplify the algebraic expression. Question number 1 is like this. 4 and then b minus 1 square minus 9. Okay, this is the first question. To solve the question, actually there are 2 ways. I'll show you the first one, but I not encourage you to use my first method. I just want to show you. But then I will erase. Okay. Using the first method, actually we can use this kind of factorization. A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This one we have learned already. We have learned that for a square minus b square, we can factorize to 2 different brackets, a plus b, a minus b. We have learned this one, factorization, 2.2. Okay. So now we go to 2.3. We can use this method, but quite difficult. So let me underline this one. 4b minus 1 square is a perfect square. 9 also a perfect square. What is a perfect square? 9 is a perfect square. Why? Because if we find the square root of 9 is equal to 3 times 3. Or 3 square. 3 square equal to 9, meaning 9 is a perfect square. 4 also is a perfect square because 4 equal to 2 times 2 or 2 square. 4 is a perfect square. B minus 1 square also a perfect square because of course we got square here. So it is a perfect square. Okay, so this type of question we can do like this. We can write 2 bracket. Okay, so for the B part, we can take from this number 9. So 9 is a perfect square. We can write as 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay, and then 4. 4 is 2, 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, B minus 1 square, we can write like this. B minus 1, B minus 1. Okay, and don't forget this one. We have plus minus. So we can write here plus minus. And then we solve this one. It become 2b minus 2 plus 3. 2b minus 2 minus 3. And then we simplify, become 2b. Negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. And then 2b minus 5. Okay, this is answer like in the textbook. Textbook at the back answer like this. However, for simplifying, actually for me this is not simplified enough. To simplify, actually we need to expand. We need to expand the bracket. And the answer should be 2b times 2b. We expand 2b times 2b. And then 2b times 5. Okay, so we will get 2b times 2b is a 4b square. 2b times 5 is negative 5 times 2, 10b. And then for the second part here, 1 times 2b, 1 times 5. Okay, so 1 times 2b is 2b. 1 times 5 is negative 5. Okay, and then we simplify. We will get 4b square. Negative 10 plus 2 is negative 8b minus 5. Okay. So we will get this answer. This is the simplified. What? Okay. Wait, let me check my Google Meet first. So far you can hear me, right? Can My phone suddenly cannot join this Google Classroom. Wait, let me go back. Let me use this idea. Wait for a moment. Okay, so Zichen can hear clearly. Thank you. So it's okay. We continue. I don't know why my telephone cannot join this Google Meet. Okay, now can. Okay. Okay, join. Okay, now can. Now can already. Someone wants to join this call. Admit. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so we get the answer already. We get ready the answer. However, still cannot see. Okay, can open already. Okay, we get the answer 4b square minus 8b minus 5. However, the steps very long. Very long. I think this is quite difficult. Yes, quite difficult. Okay, let me erase this one. I want to use different method. Easier compared to this one. Much more easier. This is quite difficult actually to do. So I not recommend you to do this method. You still can do if you understand, but I not recommended it. Maybe I can change the size. Okay. Let me erase first. I think I can select. Okay, let me select this one. Delete. Oh, yeah, very fast. Yeah, I can select. Forgot. Delete. Okay. Delete. Okay. Maybe I want to delete this one also. Oh, wait. Okay, I don't want this yellow color. Okay, so I erased the yellow color already. Let me write back here. What happened? Nice. Okay. So this is the answer that we get from the first method. Okay. However, I don't want to use that method. I don't want to use that method. Very long. We use a different method. How? We just expand like usual. We just expand like usual. So we expand this one. You cannot multiply inside the bracket like this. Cannot. The common mistake in the exam. You cannot multiply, you cannot expand inside the bracket like this. Cannot, because there is square here. We must do the square first before we can use the number of 4 to multiply inside the bracket. Okay, we must do the square first. Okay, how? Meaning we write like this. Oh, sorry, I use black. Okay, 4 cannot multiply inside the bracket, but you can write like the b minus 1, b minus 1 minus 9. Okay, meaning b minus 1 we times 2 times, because it is square. So We continue. Now you can multiply 4 inside the B1, or you can expand the B1 times B1. Can, either one. However, I want to multiply 4 inside B1. So 4, let me use a color here. Okay, 4 times B, 4 times 1. Okay, so it become 4B minus 4. Still got bracket. Second bracket, nothing to do. Okay, here we continue. Okay, so now we multiply 4B times B. 4B square. This one I expand. I expand. This one I expand. So become 4B square. And then 4B times 1. 4B times 1 minus is 4B. And then for the second part, 4 times B and 4 times 1. Okay, so it become minus 4B. And then this is 4 times 1 is 4. However, the sign here is positive because negative. Negative 4 times negative 1 is a positive 4. Okay, and then let me continue here. I want to continue here. Okay, so 4B squared. Negative 4B minus 4B is negative 8B plus 4. Oh, I forget something here. Okay, I already explained everything, but negative 9, minus 9, I forget to write. There is a common mistake. So minus 9, don't forget to write. Okay, so here we should have not minus 9. Not minus 9. Let me erase. Okay, so this one, this one, why cannot write? Okay, this one. So 4 minus 9 is negative 5. Okay, now we already get the answer. Same, right? There are two methods to get the answer. Answer is different from the textbook. Follow my answer. So this is the best way how to simplify the algebraic expression. This is the best way. Okay, this is much more easy to understand. Correct or not? Okay, so finish question 1. Now I want to go to question number 2. Okay, question 2. Oh, wait. Question 2. Okay, so question 2, like this M plus not very good. Let me write again. Plus. Okay. Plus 3 square minus 16. Okay. So we expand the M plus 3 square. We write 2 bracket here. M plus 3. M plus 3. Minus 16. Don't forget to write. And then we expand M times M. M square. M times 3. 3M. 3 times M. 3M again. 3 times 3. 9 and minus 16. Don't forget to write. There is also a shortcut to do this one. However, I don't want to teach the shortcut, because not all of you can do. Okay, so M square, 3M plus 3M equal to 6M. 9 minus 16. 9 minus 16 is what? 7? 8. 9 minus 16. 7, right? Positive or negative? Negative. So this is the answer. M square plus 6M minus 7. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 2. Okay, now let's go to question number 3. Okay, question number 3. 7x in bracket x minus 1 minus 3. So if you have any question, kalau ada soalan, you can interrupt me, no problem. In the middle, you can ask me question. Tapi you cakap lah, you use your microphone. Okay. So now we want to simplify this. To simplify, first we expand. We expand everything. So 7x times x is 7x squared. 7x times 1 is 7x minus 3. Is there anything we still can do? We can factorize this one. However, I think this is enough. So question number 3, only this one. Finish ready. Enough. Nothing we can do anymore. Okay. So question number 3, very easy. This is from the textbook. Okay, now we go to question number 4. Question number 4 is like this. 2c minus 1 square plus 2 4 plus c. Okay. So first of all, we expand this one. 2c minus 1, 2c minus 1. And then we write 2, 4 plus c. Okay. So 2c times 2c is 4c square. 2 times 2, 4. C times c, c square. Okay. 2c times 1 is 2c. Negative 1 times 2c is negative 2c again. Negative 1 times negative 1. Positive 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative plus 2 times 4 8 plus 2 times c 2c. Okay. Now we continue 4c square. Okay. I use orange. Okay. Here negative 2c, negative 2c, and we also have this one plus 2c. Okay. Negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. C. You simplify. If I may write here, this one I write here. I use orange. If I may write here, negative 2c minus 2c plus 2c. So actually, negative 2c and plus 2c equal to 0. So the answer should be negative 2c. This one. I write here. Okay. So let me erase this one. Okay. Now we got that one. We have the number here, positive 1 plus 8. So this one become plus 9. That's all. So we ready? Simplify the algebraic expression. The answer is 4c squared minus 2c plus 9. Okay. Next, question number 5. Okay, this one we got a fraction. Okay, number 5. Oh, sorry. Okay, number 5. 3y over 3y. Sorry. Wrong. 3y over 5 plus 3y over 5. Okay. If you still remember, this one we call as numerator, and then this one we call as denominator. Okay, so question number 5, very easy, because the denominator are same, 5 and 5, same. So same denominator, easy for us to solve. What we do, we just add the 3y and 3y. We just add the numerator, meaning 3y plus 3y equal to 6y. How about the denominator? Doesn't change, 5. Still remember? I hope you still remember how we want to add fraction. Example, 2 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5. Okay. So 2 plus 1 is 3 over 5. I hope you still remember how to add fraction. Same goes like this. The answer is 6y over 5. Okay. Next, question number 6. Okay, question number 6. I choose this type of question. Okay, 4r minus 3s over 2r plus 3s minus, oh, I think this is too big. I make it smaller because I think the answer is long. 4r minus 3s over 2r plus 3s, okay, minus 3r minus 4s 2r plus 3s. Okay, so this is the question. This is still easy to do. Still easy to do because the denominator 2r plus 3s are equal. The denominator are same. However, you must careful here because between the fraction we have minus. So if you have minus between fraction, you must be very careful. Very careful. Okay. Why? Let me show you. Okay. First of all, I draw a long straight line. We write the denominator here because the denominator are same. So we just write back. Okay, for the first numerator, I write a bracket here. Minus. This one also we must write a bracket. Common mistake because most students didn't do the bracket. Didn't write the bracket. That's why it's wrong. Okay, now I continue here. So now we eliminate the bracket. Become 4r minus 3s. Okay, minus 3r. However, this one you need to be careful. Negative, negative. This one we should write positive 4s. Okay, can you see, right? So that's what I say. You need to be careful. If you notice here, negative, negative, but here we write negative, positive. So you need to be careful. Careful, very careful. Okay, careful with the positive and negative sign. The denominator we just write 2r plus 3s. Okay. So now let me use green color. Okay, this is 4r. This is negative 3r. Okay, so 4r minus 3r become 1r, or we just write as r. No need to write number 1. Okay, and then we have negative 3s plus 4s, or we can write, we can say 4s minus 3s. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1s, or we just write as s, and it is a positive. 4 minus 3 is positive 1. Okay, over 2r plus 3s. This is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer for question 6. So far, okay. Now we go to we have another 6 question. We still have another 6 question. Okay. Now we go to question 7. Okay, question 7. Question 7. Okay, this one. 5 over p minus 2 over p square. Okay. So let me write here. Okay, this time the denominator are not same. Not same. So I use this color. Okay. So how you want to equalize the denominator? The first fraction is one we times with p. So the numerator also we need to times with p. Okay. So I write the denominator like this. P times p equal to p square. Okay, p square. The numerator 5 times p is 5p minus this one didn't change. 5p minus 2 divide with p square. Yeah, that is the answer. That's all. Not too difficult actually. This is the answer for question number 7. Okay. Next, we will go to question number 8. I think I can write here. Okay, number 8. Let me write here. Okay, question number 8. Question number 8, like this: 3 over x plus, no, not nice, plus y. Okay, minus 3z or 3z over 4x plus y. Okay, too quiet, Lin Zhenjuan. Oh, why you cannot hear me? You can hear, right? It's okay. Continue. Can joking. He mean the chat. Oh, okay. Thank you. Okay, can hear, Jin. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay, so equal. So now the denominator, this one we need to multiply with 4, right? So numerator also we multiply with 4, right? Because of this. Okay, so we write like this: 4x plus y for the denominator. Okay, numerator 3 times 4 is 12 minus 3z. That's all. This is the answer for question 8. This is the answer. Very easy. And this one seems like difficult, the fraction. Nampak susah. But actually not too difficult. Okay. Now we go to question number, we have another 4 questions. We go to question number 9. Okay, question number 9, black. Okay, question number 9. Okay, 3u over 4. 3u over 4 plus 5v over 3. Okay, before that, I think I want to check the Google Meet first. Maybe someone want to join? Oh yeah, someone want to join. Okay, chatting here. Okay, so far okay. How about 24? 24, okay, very good. So 24 only 22. This one 61. Okay, so continue with question number 9. Question number 9. Okay, so this one. Okay, so for this one we times with 3. The numerator we times with 3. However, for this one, 3 we multiply with 4. 5b also with 4, like that. Okay. So answer, I write this one. 4 times 3 equal to 12. So I just write like that. I very low. Whatever. Okay, so 3u times 3 equal to 9u plus 5v times 4 equal to 20v. Okay, so that is the answer for question 9. Let me check question C. C, I think longer. Okay, so okay. We go to question number 10. Okay, now question number 10. I'm 8. Close chat. Guys, don't forget, I record this class. So your chat, I can see later. After this, after I stop recording, I can check your chat. Everything is recorded, actually, including your chat. Okay. So we go to question 10. 10. 2 over r minus 2 plus 4 over 3s. Okay. So 2 over r minus 2 plus 4 over 3s. Okay. So this one, I use this color. Okay. So r over r minus 2, this one we multiply with 3s. Of course, 2 also we multiply with 3s. Okay. 3s, this one we multiply with r minus 2. And 4 here, we multiply also with r minus 2. Or we do like a cross multiplication, something like that. Okay, next. Draw a straight fraction here. And here we can write 3s. I use this one, the second denominator. 3s r minus 2. Okay, we can write like that. On top, 2 times 3s equal to 6s plus, maybe I expand, 4 times r is 4r. 4 times 2 minus 8. Okay, so however, we still have bracket. That is not good. Better actually if you write answer without bracket. Meaning here, the answer should be like this. We expand. So 3s times r is 3rs. Or you also can write 3sr, also can. However, I prefer to write rs because we learn alphabet, right? P, Q, R, S. So I write rs. Okay. Minus this one, if you doesn't understand, this one 3s times r, 3s times 2. Okay, so 3s times 2 is 6s. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, answer for question 10 is 6s plus 4r minus 8 divided with 3rs minus 6s. Okay, so now we have we still have another 2 questions. Another 2 questions before we stop. Okay, question 11. I want to use black. Okay, 11. Okay, question 11. Let me check. M over 9 plus n over 12. Okay. So how you want to solve this one? Okay. Actually, if you have learned about the LCM, LCM is what? LCM. Let me write here. LCM. Okay. LCM. What is my M? If you have learned LCM, this is easy for you. LCM is lowest common multiple. LCM is lowest common multiple. If you have learned LCM, so it's easier for you to solve this type of question. Okay. So if you do not very good in LCM, so maybe, I just said maybe, maybe you will do like this. 9 times 12, m times 12. And then this one, 12 times 9, n times 9. Okay, I didn't say that this answer is wrong. I didn't say this answer is wrong, but it's not very good. It's not very good actually, because you will get number bigger. And then after that, if you forgot to simplify, you will lose 1 point in the exam. Okay, so the better way to do, actually, we need to find the LCM between 9 and 12. The denominator is actually 36. 36. So, this one, we should multiply with 4. And m also, we multiply with 4. So, because 9 times 4 is 36. And 12 times 3 also equal to 36. If you don't know how I got 36, you need to refer to the topic LCM, lowest common multiple. Okay. So this one, we continue. The denominator is 36. 36. Okay. So m times 4 is 4m plus n times 3 is 3. And so this is the answer for question 11. Let me check question 12. Is it long or not? It's okay. I erase this one. So this is the answer for question 11. So far, not too difficult. And last question. The question that you have with. Okay. So the question is like this. For d square g plus 3 over 5 dg. Okay. So this is the question. Okay, square. So, d square g and 5 dg, how? I think this one, we need to multiply with 5, of course. This one, we need to multiply with 5. For second denominator, only 1d, but here we got d squared, meaning we need to multiply with d. G, same. So, nothing to do there. Okay, like that. Okay. So meaning 3, this one, we also multiply with d, and 4, don't forget, 4, this one, we need to multiply with 5, okay. In exam, do we need to write this one, times 5, or times 3, times 3? Do we need to write? Actually, no need, no need to write. Actually, not very important to write that one, okay. So the denominator, we write the number of, so d square g times 5 become 5 d square g. Okay, like this. And then for the numerator, 4 times 5, 20 plus 3 times d, of course, 3d. So this is the answer for the last question, question number 12. Okay, so far, I think not too difficult to understand. I hope you can do. Any questions so far? Ada soalan nak tanya? I want to check this chatting lah. Let me check. Let me check first. Okay. Why use pen? Oh, why I use pen? Because when I use Jamboard or whiteboard, my computer hang. The internet not very good. I think maybe, or my computer is not very good. Because whiteboard or Jamboard using internet. Pen doesn't use internet. Okay. So pen is more smooth. Lebih lancar. Jamboard sangkut-sangkut. Lagging. Okay. So it says here, very quiet today. Too quiet. No, just joking. Can. Too quiet. Hide. Don't know. Don't understand. What is that? Okay. Last. Don't hide. Like this quiet. Very good. Don't so hide. Oh, yo. What is it? This one. Okay. Let me translate this one. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay. I can translate from here. Okay. What very short? This one long. Kopi. Okay, translating. Oh, my internet slow, I think. take your hands up. Oh yeah, take your hands up. Okay. What else? Hi, very low. I'm 8. Huh? Chan Chi, you are 8. Close chat. Last. First. Lot of laugh. Yes. No. Out. Yes. I out. Come back. Lower. Common multiple. Not lower. Lowest. Okay. Okay. Get out. Okay. Lowest. Common 36. Lowest common 36. What is that? 3 times 3 times 4. Hello, teacher. Oh, no. Hello, teacher. Oh, no. Teacher, know how to use translator? Yeah, I know how to use translator. Copy again. Huh? What is this? I don't think this is Chinese. Let me try. I don't think this is Chinese. What is that? Kazakhstan cannot translate. Okay. Lim Chan, oh, very good. You. The truth is Google Translate is not accurate. What is this? Okay. We go back to our lesson. Is there any question? Ada soalan nak tanya? Is there any question? Alright. Okay, 2A4 say here, no question, teacher, no question. Okay, no. Okay, thank you. Okay, if no question, now I will give you exercise. Let me open the Google Classroom first. Okay, where is 2A2? Okay, here. This is 2A2. Classwork. Just 5 questions only, but the 5 questions we didn't do in the class today. I don't want to do. I want you to do yourself. And don't forget, question 1 and 2 is the answer is different from the textbook. Meaning you must do yourself. My internet very slow right now. Don't know why. Still didn't open. Wait for a moment. Okay. Okay, Zafran. What is that? Okay, Zafran. Habibi Al. What is this? Computer mutaklifan. What is that? Okay, can I? Okay, so I want to edit this one. Computer lagging. Yeah, thank you. I will teach you the language of the O. Whatever. Okay. So this is the exercise. Okay, everything okay. So class 2A2, 2A2, 2A4, 2B3, 2A5. Okay, so I post now. Remember, this exercise only can be opened by Google Classroom ID only. If you cannot open, WhatsApp me or WeChat me. Okay, so I post ready the question to all 4 classes, to A2, to A4, to A5, and to B3. So now you can leave this Google Meet and then do the exercise. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, bye.